Hello, we are today in Steel Reserve and we will discuss about our DCS Adam. We have here an analog input, a PID controller and our analog output. Here we have our analog input is the DP transmitter, same as DP transmitter, and we have here our control valve. Now we will talk about the configuration between these two displays. We have the task designer and we have the display designer. As we show here, we have a multi-tag number. We have here for the spin 1 that match this display for our set point. This is our spin 1. For example, in case of SCTL1, we find our proportional match the NCTL1 and so on. NCTL2 for the integral proportion and NCTL3 for the derivative, and we have here our SCR1 for the basic script. We have here our program to switch between the analog mode, the automatic mode and the manual mode. Here we have our logic to change from 40-20 milliamps to a percentage value from 0 to 100%. Now we will talk about our display designer. Here we have the proportion, and this is the error to increase or decrease the value. This is our integral and this is the derivative. In this scale we can adjust our set point. From this button we can change from automatic to manual, and with the manual mode we can increase or decrease our value desired. Here our real-time trend, and here our output, and here our input. Let's start our job. For starting our work, we will click on this button, start. This is our manual mode. For the manual mode, we can adjust our set point here. Say for 75. This is our set point. Is exactly match our 75. And we can increase from here. As shown here, we have our small deviation, and by applying a pressure from our drag, here we have our output that exactly match our 75% equal to 16 milliamps. And by applying a pressure here from our drag, we can show the response of our input with the red color, and by applying a small deviation from here, we can see the response of our control valve. After describing our manual mode, we can switch now to our automatic mode. By clicking on this button, we can change from manual to automatic. Here we have our set point. We can change it to, for example, 80, 84 for example, and we show that our output is match this set point. That's it for our workshop today, and see you soon. Thank you.